Welcome back. So this is the third episode talking about the if function, and this time we'll be talking about some affiliated function with the if, and this is and function. All right. So let's see the instruction. What we need to do today. So hot. The instruction one is hot and cold warning show extreme, otherwise show normal. So what it means is if we see hot and yes for the cold warning right here, then we need to show the word extreme in this cell. And if we didn't show anyone, all right, so it's hard to know, so it's not and, right? Because we need to fulfill the both requirement is hot and showing yes in the code warning. So hot and no is not fulfilling this requirement, so it will be showing normal. Similarly, warm and no will show normal because it's not fulfilling both of hot and yes for code warning. And this one also, warm and yes will show normal because didn't show hot and cold simultaneously. All right. So let's do it by using if and the function and. All right. So if here logical test, we need to fulfill both the requirement of hot and yes for cold warning. All right. So we need to use and right here. And okay. So logical one will be hot. Alright, so if E1 equal to hot, alright, so sorry, if E2 equal to hot, alright, and so and F2 equal to yes, so close it. So it is just a normal logic function, okay? Normal logic function, and when you have close blanket right here. Normal logic function. So what it means here is if E2 equal to hot and at the same time F2 equal to S, both requirements is fulfilled, then we return the value extreme. If it is not fulfilled, value is false, return the value of normal. Right? Close it, and it's normal. Right? So drag it down, you will have it. So only this case is fulfilled both hot and yes for code warning, so it will only give us the only one which will give us extreme in this case. Okay, so let's do the second example. Now this time we need to fulfill the equation is we need to have warm and no code warning. We need to show perfect. All right. So let's see what we have right here. So we need to fulfill both warm and no cold warning. So it will be warm and cold together on the same row. So hot and no, it will show nothing. Warm and no show perfect. Warm and no show perfect. Hot and yes, of course, is no. And warm and yes is also give us nothing. Okay, so let's do it here. So if logical test is we need to fulfill both uh, conditions, so we use the and right here. So and, all right, E2 is equal to warm, and on the same time F2 is equal to no. Then if these logic test is fulfilled, return the value perfect. If it is not fulfilled, if it is false, return nothing. Let's have a space bar right here. Close it, enter. So it has nothing, and when you drag it down the column, warm and no simultaneously give us perfect. So this is how you use if and function together. So we will have more function about or and not for the if function in the later on episode. So make sure to keep track of that. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, or subscribe our YouTube channel if you find it useful. And here again, thanks for watching.